been a minute. About to go check out my... I haven't seen her in a while. Ooh, it's filthy. But unfortunately, this is what happens when I have no choice. You know, had to make a move overseas for the betterment of my life. Something else to get less behind. And as a car guy, I know, as anybody's a car guy, I should say, you know what's up. Always got plans. Always never coming through. It's always something else. But to be honest with you, I'm actually okay with the shape she's in. Obviously, this was always here. This has gotten a little worse, a little bit of rust, but I sprayed with some fluid film before I left just because I know it was going to be in the rain. So this is the side that got vandalized. So over here in the back of the trunk. The top paint is just gone. Side paint is good. Not terrible, but yeah. Put a little water in there. Got a bunch of shit. But the interior still fine. Always had this little crack. I actually wonder if you can just fill it up with something. Just smooth it over. I don't really care about it too much. Got some working equipment. Everything looks good. See here, when I came here, I took and I sprayed fluid film all up here, up as much as best I can, because I couldn't really get under it. I was in such a rush when I had to come back and take care of some other business. But I sprayed it the best I can. I don't see any bubbling, any new bubbling anywhere. Let me see. Still oily, so that's cool. Try to get down here because, you know, door jams up in there. Try to spray back under here. Again, best I can. Car's low, it's on dirt. As you can see, it's collecting here. Always have to watch out for this. The one thing I did notice is that I did start collecting water under the floor mat. And if you saw my other video, I forgot what I was doing. I was doing something. But I told you need to clean these drain plugs over here. Back there. So I gotta take out this whole like cowl piece and try to clean out these drains. There's a hole, like a circle hole back here under this that can get drained. So I gotta try to force it through. So take this off, some screws, whatever, and try to push it through the hole, the drain plug, which comes down here and comes out the bottom. So I guess it overflows, and instead of draining down, it goes up and over behind, and then goes down to the floor behind the firewall into the carpet. So it's a super common problem with these cars apparently. If you have water under your floor mat, the first thing you do is check these drain plugs. You have on both sides. This one, I can't get my hand. Some more stopped up, but yeah. Alright then, but this is the bubbling, obviously. Another super common problem with these. I'm just hoping it doesn't go through and it remains essentially right here. And if I lift up the rubber, to me it looks good under the rubber, which means I hope it's just right here right now. And then the other common problem that you're getting moisture through is obviously this. So we got some things forming, but all this is essentially stoppable. I should be able to stop in its tracks pretty much. Like the bumper, even the chrome on the back is still good. Yeah, she's definitely not in the best condition, but she's definitely not in the worst condition. Let's see if she starts. Let's see. My friend started her like, I don't know, a few weeks ago, but before that, it was like months. Like when I say months, maybe a year. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Might just not have gas in it though, because he said it did run out of gas. Now that's a problem too. Like every time I keep starting the car, I think this is another problem that these cars have. They have a few problems. The 80s, baby. But every time I try to start the car, everything cycles. So you hear the locks go. See, I think it's just gas. Oh, go get gas. Come back. But it's turned over. It started up immediately. Just I don't think it has anything to run on. So go get gas. Come back. See what happened.